Understanding Disappear, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the word disappear. This is a word that you might have heard quite often, but what does it really mean? How do you use it in a sentence? That's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. So, stay tuned, and let's dive right in. The word disappear is a verb that describes the action when something or someone vanishes or is no longer visible. When something disappears, it can no longer be seen. For example, if you have a pen in your hand and suddenly you can't find it, you can say, "My pen has disappeared." It's important to note that when something disappears, it does not mean it is gone forever. It might just be out of sight temporarily. 1. Physical absence, when something is physically gone or not present. 2. Example, the magician made the rabbit disappear. 3. Emotional or abstract sense, when a feeling, state, or quality vanishes. 4. Example, after a good night's sleep, her anxiety disappeared. 5. Disappear in technology, when a file, data, or application is no longer visible or accessible on a digital device. 6. Example, I clicked the wrong button, and my document disappeared. 1. Disappear into thin air, used to describe something that vanishes suddenly and completely. 2. Example, he was just here a minute ago, but now he's disappeared into thin air. 3. Disappear off the face of the earth, used to describe someone or something that has vanished without a trace. 4. Example, she hasn't called me in weeks. It's like she's disappeared off the face of the earth. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on the word disappear. I hope this video has helped you understand the different ways this word can be used in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try to use disappear in your sentences as much as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.